Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4. The topic is Adjectives. SLOs of this lesson are: use some describing words showing quality, size and color. For example, soft, big, yellow. In this lesson, we are going to read about the describing words or adjectives. So let's discuss what are the adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. For example, beautiful flower, interesting story, lazy man, graceful lady. As you can see, we have 4 nouns here: the flower, the story, lady or man. Noun names a person, place or thing or idea. It can be anything. So we have a 4 noun here, and the beautiful, the interesting, the lazy and graceful are describing words here, which are describing the nouns. The word beautiful is telling that flower is beautiful. The interesting is telling that story is beautiful. And the lazy word is describing the man is lazy. The quality can be both bad and good. And the word graceful here is telling you about the lady that she is graceful. So adjectives or describing word tells you more about the noun, its color, size, smell, etc. Let's move forward. Here are some describing words with the picture. You can see this one is happy. This person is sad. He's opening. He's closed, ill, injured, rich, poor. This empty, it's full, it's old, it's new. As you can see the picture of these nouns here, the words are describing them. For example, this person is laughing here. And the word happy is describing that this person is happy. That's why he's laughing. And this person is sad here. You can see the expression here, and the word sad is describing it. And this person is injured. You can see he's injured. The word is injured here, describing it. The car here is old. You can see it's not in good condition. So the word old here, describing it. On page number 21 of your textbook, we have an exercise here. Underline the nouns and encircle the adjectives in the following sentences. We have discussed the nouns. Noun names person, place or things, and adjectives is the quality, size or color of a noun. So you have to underline the noun and adjectives in these sentences here. So look at the first one. He is a good man. So the noun is in this sentence is man, and the good is what? Yes, it's quality. The adjective, it is describing the man here. The B, there are red roses in the garden. We have 2 nouns here, the garden and the roses. But here, the color, the describing word or the adjective is red, which is describing roses, that roses are red. The C, the lion is a dangerous animal. Here, the lion is a noun and dangerous is an adjective, which is describing the lion. G1 here, Shafi is a tall boy. Tall is an adjective and Shafi is a noun here. So, tall here is describing Shafi. The E, my family lives in a big house. Here the noun is house and the big is what? Yes, the size of a noun. Big, the adjective here. The F, mathematics is a difficult subject. Here the subject is noun. This subject wala kaat hai. Here the mathematics is a noun and difficult is an adjective here, which is describing maths. The G, my friend is very active in sports. Here, friend is a noun and active, the quality here of it, of noun here. The H, my brother is a brave boy. Brother is a noun here? Yes. And the brave is an adjective here, which is describing his brother that he is brave. I, rabbit is a cute animal. Here the rabbit is what? Yes, noun. And the cuteness, the cute here, is the quality of a noun. J, I cannot lift a heavy box. Here, the box is a noun and heavy is a quality of a box. Here, the word heavy is describing the box. This is your home task from workbook, page number 19. What you have to do, choose an option from the following and ask your elder sister if it is right or wrong. This exercise from describing words, you have to choose an option and ask your elder sister or anybody else who's elder than you if it is right or wrong. Adjectives are also called, you have to choose the one. We have discussed the adjectives and noun earlier in this lesson. This is also your home task from workbook, page number 20. This is a reading and writing exercise. Read the passage with your siblings, then pick out the describing words and write them below. We have discussed the describing words. You have to read this paragraph with your siblings and choose the describing words that is describing any noun. And we have 5 describing words here in this paragraph. You have to write all of them. This is your homework from summer pack, page number 27. Go to the market and see the object of different colors and sizes. Draw them against the relevant describing words. Like if you see anything red, you can draw it here and color it. If you see anything beautiful, you can draw here and color it. This is also your homework from summer pack, page number 28. Yes, if you see something soft, you can draw here and color it, and something very dusty. Question number 1 here, choose the correct option and write a few lines about it. Find describing words. You have to find the describing word from these options here. The second one, identify the describing word in the following sentences. I have a red bag. You have to choose the describing word from these options here. This is also your homework from summer pack, page number 29. Question number 3, 4 and 5. And this is your homework from textbook. Read this poem and identify any describing word you can find. You can underline the describing word like this.